Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to find that perfect cheese for your next meal? Today, I've got something that will make your cheese choices a whole lot easier. Meet Latteria Soresina's Parmigiano Reggiano, a cheese that's not just any cheese, but a slice of tradition and flavor. It's the king of Italian cheeses, crafted with centuries-old methods, and it's a must-have for anyone who loves the finest ingredients. What makes this Parmigiano Reggiano stand out? Well, it's made from the finest cow's milk, aged for 24 months, giving it that rich, crumbly texture with a deep, nutty flavor that simply melts in your mouth. It's the real deal. You're getting authentic premium cheese that comes straight from Italy's renowned dairy region. Finding an authentic Parmigiano Reggiano can be tough, especially with so many imitations out there. But trust me, not all cheeses are created equal. So how do you know you're getting the best? Latteria Soresina's Parmigiano Reggiano is your answer. Whether you're topping pasta, grating over a salad, or enjoying it with a glass of wine, this cheese brings the flavor and authenticity that transforms any dish into something special. Plus, it's perfect for anyone looking for a naturally lactose-free option. Want to elevate your cheese game? Don't wait. Click the link below to grab Latteria Soresina's Parmigiano Reggiano now, and bring home a taste of Italy that you won't regret. Don't just eat cheese, experience the best.